Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Baby Bathtub for infants to toddlers, a collapsible and portable solution designed to make bath time a breeze. This innovative bathtub folds down to just 3.5 inches thick, making it perfect for travel and easy storage, even allowing you to hang it in your bathroom. Equipped with a built-in water thermometer, it ensures the perfect water temperature every time, with a touch-screen control that saves electricity and eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements. Crafted from environmentally friendly PP+TPE materials, this bathtub is both odorless and non-toxic, ensuring a safe bathing experience for your little one. The adjustable suspension cushion and bath mesh provide essential support for your baby's head and neck, allowing them to enjoy a comfortable and fun bath. With additional features like non-slip feet, a shower slot, and a padded drain, this bathtub is designed to make your life easier while keeping your baby safe and happy. Don't forget to squeeze out the water and dry the cushion after each use to keep everything in top condition. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.